Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start pet insurance with Nationwide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Nationwide Pet Insurance website. Click on the Get a Quote button prominently displayed on the home page. Select the type of pet you want to insure, such as a dog or a cat. Enter your pet's details, including their name, age, and breed. Provide your contact information for the quote. Review the available coverage options tailored for your pet. Choose a plan that suits your needs and budget. Add any additional coverage options you may want, such as wellness plans or preventive care. Once satisfied with your selections, click on the Continue button. Create an account by entering your email and a secure password. Confirm your email address if prompted. Proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment information, ensuring accuracy. Review all details, including coverage. Submit your application to complete the enrollment process. You should receive a confirmation email with your policy details soon after. Keep this email for your records, as it contains important information about your coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.